Derek, SB Tactical.
Yes, sir.
You guys absolutely rock. Your braces on AK pistols change the world.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate your support.
And what you can tell us for the near future? Are you going to continue to support the AK market?
Absolutely. So right now we are coming out with our own version of the AK folder. This is the triangle folder in 1913, and we're going to have two different versions. This one is going to work with the 1913 interface, and it's going to be a folding brace as well. So as you can see,
outstanding.
It's going to be a folding brace. Now the other one is going to have the traditional forks that go in the very bottom right here, and it's also going to be a folding brace as well.
So you're going to support two types with that rail on the back?
Because some of them don't come with the 1913 interface.
Yeah. Sure, and that's the valid point.
Absolutely.
But that's any time frame on this?
Time frame, we're going to start shipping them at the end of February.
End of February?
Yes, sir.
So any prices?
Pricing on the triangle folder is going to be retailing at $199.99.
Okay, that's doable.
Yeah,
that's a big enhancer.
Yes.
So this is and that's really coming in the near future.
Absolutely.
So
yeah.
This is not just the shot
end of
show.
February.
This
it's
is
coming
not
up.
just shot show.
Not just
shot
show.
No,
it's not.
Outstanding. What else you guys have? Because you're working on the tons of other stuff. We mainly cover AKs, but there's a lot of people who have also the different guns.
We're also coming out with the FS 1913. The original one that we are currently shipping right now is a glass-filled nylon strut. The one that we are going to be coming out with is the 6061 aluminum strut. Now this one is just a little more rigid compared to the glass-filled nylon. So if you're running like a larger caliber, like 308 or anything beyond that, you're going to be wanting something that's a little more rigid, whereas the glass-filled nylon just flexes just a little bit, but not a huge difference between the two.
This is looking really interesting. Any chance that we'll see something similar on the AK side? Or
yes, this 1913 Hinge will actually work on that AK.
Okay,
so you can put this on there.
Beautiful. So all you gotta do is set that 1913.
Correct. Make sure you have a 1913 adapter or interface.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. So that covers it. What about more traditional ones? Are you going to keep pushing those?
Yeah. So for the AR style, we actually have the SBA3. It's actually a 5-position adjustable brace on a 6-position adjustable tube. The SBA3 is our best seller. It's a slim, minimalist brace.
Sure.
We offer it in black, FDE, gray, and OD green.
That brings me, I forgot to ask you about the triangle braces. Are they going to be offered in the different colors too, or just black?
That is something I'd have to ask my boss.
That's okay, that's fine.
The triangle folder. Just black, right?
Just black?
Starting with black.
We're starting with black.
Okay, so we're talking to the person behind the camera.
Yes.
Okay, but the feedback is we're going to
eventually have different options where you can choose from all sorts of colors that we're going to offer.
Eric, that sounds awesome.
Yes.
Thank you guys for supporting AK Market.
My pleasure.
Hey, you're really kicking ass.
Thank you for your support. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys.